When we started working on Adaptiv as a full-stack career intelligence platform that would provide AI-powered career mentoring with a structured micro-learning journey, we knew that we would have to provide a way to enable mentors to publish learning material with minimum investment of time and energy. On Adaptiv's Creator Platform, subject matter experts can generate and publish AI-generated micro-learning modules and quizzes. You can start by publishing goal-based career recipes with a structured pathway for upskilling. You can also publish courses using Ada's AI. All you have to do is choose a topic, target audience, language style, and tone. The AI will generate a TUC that you can approve before generating the lessons. Once the lessons are ready, you can review the content and add images and quizzes, or even your own unique insights before publishing it. Everything from the cover image to the slide content is editable, so you have full control over what you publish. So what are you waiting for? Head over to Adaptiv to share your knowledge with young professionals and help them shape their careers. What better way to build your personal brand and supplement your income by coaching young professionals? Adaptiv.me/creator-platform